Hello dear friends and colleagues, hope everyone is safe and sound. Today I am very happy to share with you a very nice clinical tip which will be about how you can place wingless rubber dam clamp, rubber dam sheet and rubber dam frame all together in one step. In this clinical example I am going to isolate the upper right quadrant, starting by the upper first molar, then the second premolar, ending by the first premolar. First, we are going to attach the corners of the rubber dam sheet to the frame, leaving the middle area loose to maintain its flexibility during application intraorally to provide you a comfortable procedure. Here in this clinical video, we are going to use a universal wingless molar clamp, which is the W8A, to be placed on the upper first molar. We are going to attach the rubber dam clamp to the rubber dam sheet, where the bow will be facing the operator and the jaws of the clamp will be under the rubber dam sheet facing the teeth. Start to bring the corner of the rubber dam sheet of the area to be isolated to the opposite side, providing you a clear access to the jaws of the rubber dam clamp so you can place it on the tooth to be isolated in a very easy way. First, I'm going to demonstrate on a cast to see clearly what's going on before I apply clinically. As you can see, using this simple technique, you can see clearly what you are doing even with a wingless clamp. Start to place the rubber dam clamp on the tooth. Then bring the rubber dam corner to its place one more time. It's time now to see the working field. Using a plastic instrument, you can bring the rubber dam sheet below the clamp. Then start to use the dental floss to bring the rubber dam sheet below the contact area. Here you have to take care during this procedure in specific to avoid any tearing of the rubber dam sheet during placement of the rubber dam sheet below the contact area. This is a very important step. You have to bring the rubber dam sheet below the contact area distal to the clamp, and you have to make sure that you did proper sealing around the rubber dam clamp by making sure that all areas is covered with the dam. Dam inversion could be achieved easily using dental floss. Here, as you can see, with a dental floss, you can bring all the edges of the rubber dam sheet inside the sulcus in one step. You can secure the anterior component of the isolation using a piece of the rubber dam sheet to make it stable in place. The same protocol will be applied clinically, and as you can see, my friends, it is very simple to be applied and you can get predictable results by the end of the procedure, starting by application of the rubber dam clamp on the tooth and ending by having a properly isolated field. Hope this clinical tip was useful to you, and thanks for watching.